everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss a next assignment that is related to chapter 12. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to click on enable editing. Okay. Then make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss XP25 Excel chapter 12 ML1 Sorority dues. Increase size and change color so it must be visible. Here is project description. Okay. So in today's video, we will discuss XP25 Excel chapter 12 ML1 Sorority dues. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, let me move toward whole assignment. How many points we have in today's assignment? In today's assignment, we have 12, 14, 17. We have 17 points in graded part, and last part is a non-graded one, 18 one. Okay, so we have 17 questions in today's assignment. So let me start today's assignment step by step. Our today assignment name is XP Excel XP Excel chapter 12 ML1 Sorority dues project description. So in project description, what we have, you are outgoing treasurer of your sorority, and as your last talk, you would like to create a membership template to enable future treasurers to track memberships, dues, and activities. To reach your goal, you will download and customize an Excel template. As a part of customization process, you will create micro to format text, use a VBA to protect a workbook, and inspect the workbook for issues. Okay, so that was just simply project description, that what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one. Okay, so let me start today assignment step by step. Steps to perform, instructions. So start Excel, then download and open a file named XP Excel chapter 12 ML1 membership dues Excel. Then grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file. Okay, so we have already downloaded this file from Pearson. So let me start. We call that solution file. Okay, let me open the solution file. Then click on enable editing. Okay, so question number 1 is done, in which we have to start Excel, download and open the file name. Then grader has automatically added our last name in the beginning of file, so you may see everything is perfect. So question number 1 is done. Now we are moving to question number 2. Click or select cell E1. Okay, first we have to select cell E1, then delete the template text and enter membership dues. Now we have to delete this one. Okay, so first we have to select this one from keyboard button. We have to select delete and delete that one. Then we have to copy this one from here and paste that here. Okay, so question number 2 is done. In question number 2, we just click or select cell E1, then delete the template text and enter memberships due. So question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. Delete column L. Now we have to delete column L. Where is L? we just move there, yeah, there is L. Select this one or right click and there is delete option. Yes. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3 we have to delete column L. We have done that one. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Select the range A1 to L7. First we have to select the range A1 to L7. Okay. Then what we have to do, we have to clear all data validation that was included in the template. Okay, we have to clear all data validation. So for that, click on data. Here is data validation. So clear data validation circles. Data validation. Okay, that is how we clear all. Yes, done. And again there, clear circle. Okay, done. So question number 4 is done, and question number 4 is not graded one, but if we didn't do that question, then we cannot able to solve other part. Okay, so we have to solve question number 4 first. Okay, in question number 4 we have to select the range A1 to L7, then clear all the data validation that was included in the template. We have done that one. Now we are moving toward question number 5. Add comment in cell E1. Okay, so first we have to move towards cell E1 here, and there we have to add comment. What we have to add, that says unprotected worksheet before editing, including periods. Mean we have to copy till periods. So select this one from here, copy, and then cell E1, right click, and there is option new commits. And in commit we have to in that one and select done. Okay, now this one show that there is commit. Okay, so question number 5 is done. In question number 5 we add a comments in cell E1 that says unprotect the worksheet before editing, including the periods. So question number 5 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 6. Question number 5 is a much graded one, 12 marks. Okay, so now we are moving toward question number 6. Select the range A2 to L7. Select the range A2 to L7. Okay. Then use micro recorder to record a micro sort that sort the recording. Okay, micro name sort. Okay, so we just copy this name from here. Come on here, then click on developer, and there is a record micro, and name of micro is sort. Then sort the record in ascending order based on member name in column E. Okay, now we have to record no space. Okay, then our micro is stored. Now that sort the record in ascending order based on member name in column E. Column E, this one, this one. Okay, sort the record in ascending order. Okay, then this part is done. Okay, then enter 5 in cell E3. Where is E3? There is E3, enter 5 there. Okay, then 4 in A4. Where is E4? Then there is. Then 3 in A5. Okay, then 2 in A6. Okay, and 1 in cell E7. Okay, Then run the sort micro to test performance. Okay. Now we have to stop recording. Micro. It is sort. Now we have to run that one. Yes. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, we have to select the range A2 to L7, then use micro recorder to record a micro name sort that sort the record in ascending order based on member name in column A. Hint, use a relative reference with when recording the micro. Okay. Then enter 5 in cell A3, 4 in A4, 3 in A5, 2 in A6, and 1 in A7. Then run the sort record to test its performance. After testing, the micro deletes sample values in A3 to A7. Now we have to simply delete all these values. Okay, our micro is working. So question number 6 is done. Same way we will solve question number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 up to 17 question. Okay. So in today's video we have discussed XP25 Excel chapter 12 ML1 Sorority dues. In start, we just discussed the project description, then we move toward grade report and we have solved question number 1, then we solved question number 2, then question number 3, then we solved question number 4, then we solved question number 5, and in last we solved question number 6. So almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Remember that we will just take 30 minutes to complete your project. Result will be 100% and price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. You may also contact me for other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook, project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. So we will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.